severe thunderstorm warning for Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Howard's Grove to Random Lake to near Brown Deer, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sheboygan, Mequon, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, Port Washington, Plymouth, Sheboygan Falls, Soapville, Bayside, Seamsville, Howard's Grove, Pittsburgh, Belgium, Fredonia, Kohler, Cedar Grove, Random Lake, Newburgh, and Elkhart Lake. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.